Okay guys, check this place out. Look at the work they're doing here. It's really busy here now. All Buddha amulets and all Buddha statues and things like that, you know. They did a giant sleeping Buddha in here. Oh, it must have took them at least a year to make. That's just a rough cut, that one. But look at this. I don't know what kind of stone this is. It almost looks like concrete. Just look at the detail in this one. Looks finished. Photograph? Wow. And you need some patience, huh? They got tons of these here. Wow. How tall is that? Nearly 20 feet, I'd say. Nearly 20 feet high, that one. There's another one here that's just partial rough cuts done. Here's one like they're working on beside the road there. Just look at the detail in it when it's done. I assume this stuff is destined for a temple somewhere. Man, this stuff's amazing. The craftsmanship is unbelievable.
Khoan 30 giờ à. Thầy, tôi có khó mà hành gì đó là bao nhiêu khó rồi. Mọi người muốn ăn gì không ạ? Mua hỏi xong mua bảo.
You need a lot of patience to go with the skill, that's for sure. But when they're done well, it's amazing. And all right beside the highway.